peace starts, first of all, from our heart. We have to have inner peace first. Inner peace helps us to overcome resentment, jealousy, anger, hatred, and then to be instrument of God's peace among all. And also when we see others, to see them not as competitors or as adversaries, but as fellow travelers in a common journey. I think that would help us a lot, to understand each other and to appreciate the value of each other. And it is this which we try to promote as Catholic Church, especially through the Interreligious Dialogue Commission and all who in some way or other work in this field. And we hope to continue this journey together and to have always each other in our hearts and in our prayers.